Good afternoon, members of the media. Just to further allude on what the Honourable Prime Minister had said, in regards to the vessel that has berthed in Onelau, MV Ohana is currently berthed in Onelau, and the government officials are currently conducting food ration distribution as well as detailed damage assessment. MV Spirit of Love is currently berthed in Matuku, and the officials are currently conducting food ration distribution as well as detailed damage assessment. MV Spirit of Harmony as well as MV Altruism, both vessels were deployed to Kandavu with officials. Both are conducting detailed damage assessment as well as food ration distribution. MV Suvavou, bound from Benga, Vatulele and Yanudha, berthed in Vatulele, officials are currently undertaking detailed damage assessment as well as food ration distribution. In regards to the evacuation center, in the Western Division, we now have a total number of 4 evacuation centers still open with 57 evacuees. In the Central Division, we have 15 evacuation centers still open with 241 evacuees. In the Eastern Division, we have a total number of 57 evacuation centers still open with 1,273 evacuees. In regards to a few detailed damage assessment that we've received so far as of this afternoon, in the Lau group, we've received a total number of 109 houses that were destroyed. 68 was partially damaged. In the Kandavu area, in the Kandavu village, a total of 157 houses were destroyed, with 331 partially damaged. In the Western Division, the initial damage assessment, 228 houses that were destroyed, with 1,164 partially damaged. That is my update for you this afternoon. Do I have any questions?